Yaba munyina kwa babiem emfa emra bedwam tubede so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV Digi box no o share live and so on me streaming on Facebook Adom TV. Adom TV. And I say Adom TV Extra. Oko YouTube so Adom TV. TikTok Adom TV. X Adom_TV. And join here, baby, bia. All our social media platforms now join the file where also comment. Virginia can kind na ede. Aba meka say Joy Sports Invitational Ebaso ABM. And yenyina FO enko Saturday 26th of October 2024 University of Ghana Stadium Honomwa. The yenyina FO Legon Sports Stadium Honomwa na ekwe Serge Made. Nti but oye nyume kona person register. Number of first 11 was 0540 106 466 0540 106 466. The Joy Sports Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Joy Sports. Joy Sports, play for peace. Eben for Thursday, Babechi, Komone, and Honorable Collins, Adom Mpensenpensenmu, Deputy Minister for Energy and MP for Efija Kwabre North Constituency in Ashanti region. And David Von D, a member of Parliament, ma adishe watchful at Mokwa constituency. Now, before I share some statement be a war a hanum statement. I am say a dear I'm share a credit to a man for some for say. Say we don't do mechanical said so this is a statement from Sono Asogli Power Plant. And one of money statement about say press statement. 1. Sono Asogli Power Ghana Limited regret that they have been compelled to suspend operation from Tuesday 8th October 2024. The shutdown happened at 5 p.m. that day. The difficult decision was necessitated by our inability to fund our operations because of the failure of the Electricity Company of Ghana to honor their overdue payment obligations and their various promises to that effect. Sono Asogli Power Ghana has over the years been very considerate in its dealings with ECG and the government, and unlike other independent power producers, has not even invoiced ECG for accrued idle capacity charges. Despite this, ECG owes Sono Asogli a net, excluding fuel, residual amount of $259 million at the end of September 2024. Our debt has grown by 23% on the net balance between January 2024 and September 2024, and only 22.6% of the invoices of the period has been paid by ECG from the cash waterfall mechanism. We deeply regret the impact of this decision on the national power supply. We expect the Ministry of Finance to intervene for us to return to operations as soon as possible. So the 560 megawatt power plant is owned by Sono Asogli Ghana Limited has been shut down. Meaning say who feel impact no baby I want there. Deputy Energy Minister ewa akrabako there.
Nyame Adom.
Kwenso to say
Hoboko
emujo
papa
emudaye.
Don't say Efija Kwabre North there. There's only one candidate. When the grant I say there's only one.
Only the same.
Absolutely. You know, there's only one candidate. It's problem be anyhow. Very strong hold of the MPP.
The margin of 2022, the shocks never 2022. Ubetumi recover.
2022 shocks.
2020
shocks.
They became the fall on the general party.
No, there was no fall in my constituency.
Hey.
What was the margin?
I won by more than 10,000 votes.
Oh, okay.
It's not debatable.
Okay.
Who's going to be the next?
Is it because NPP no more pen and answer the candidates no?
Well, first of all, traditionally, no, it's an NPP stronghold. That's number one. And of course,
you are an honest man.
It's a traditional seat of the NPP.
Okay.
And of course, over the years, the members of parliament are the constituency, so are demonstrating some very good leadership skills. Don't forget, that is Honorable Kandapa's constituency, the current National Security Minister. Onu di 4 terms. and graciously no ono I decided to step down ma when you are penny na ma for many ampon eso be to aso ye 2 terms and sana meba and you know it's been a well managed constituency over the past 4 to 8 years no crowd what we are seeing in the constituency no abaye kwako to a thank you vote. First of all, your Hornia district.
Oh, okay.
So over the years, no, so if you Jakwabre no, Fish has 25 towns. Now, person no DC Kasa, that's all 2 car offense and that's Agona. We used to be 2 constituencies under 1 district. It's not if you Jakwabre North and if you Jakwabre South. Near under if you Jakwabre district.
Oh, okay.
Now you had your district capital or Kodie. Into Ushemi district, Ufi, Chichweri, Sampine Krum. Now, person will be who DC year, you need about 20 cities, 30 cities. And how do that room? They say a district. And when you are declared a district, it comes with its own benefits. It's obviously SML district ambulance, SML district courts, SML district assembly building, to district fire service station. Into all those things now have come in hand for us. It's this election for us as a district. It's a thank you.
It will be sure no say if Jakwabre not. For the years while you are a member of parliament, footprint Ben Wajano Echira.
So one of the biggest legacies is to have a district in the first place.
Which was championed by yourself.
It's my predecessor and I'm about to also.
Okay.
But it is something that we must be excited about. Because when you are declared a district, obviously no, you are an entity on its own. In Tisika, I said the Vondi district, no, you are entitled to say facilities are which is entitled to any district. We are entitled to hitherto no any district assembly building. Today we have one. Hitherto we didn't have a district court. So we have one no if you Jakwabre no offer. Near say do conference. And then we have a district court, modern building with a modern bungalow for the judge. You didn't see that. Okay. Today we have a district ambulance. You see what? There's an ambulance there. In fact, the whole Ashanti region, Agenda 111, all the districts are almost surpassing 80% completion. Okay. We are hoping the president will be made by November for the president to commission. Okay. Until it will be strange for anybody to say over the years. Before I'm the MP, the pass rate from JSS to SS was 65%. And now I can say a 97% pass rate. Before now the intake from JSS to SS. Okay. The intake JSS to SS was 36%. What it means was that almost close to 65% of in Colombia JSS. 2 main reasons. Basic academic performance will be in chakra and then financial. And now the body for years we have moved from 36% and now I'm looking at 87%.
What deal with Obi and Chakra?
Maybe from to 87%. Now given the interventions and Myanmar ya make me pass rate na kosro.
Okay.
So when I came, I realized Nkolano only moment, but how to answer the question. Not panicking. So me the program by a friend examiners time. Till me back Accra, I pick examiners from Accra, Kumasi, no matter constance. No matter now for 2-3 weeks. Fully paid for each child. No more taking them through how to even answer questions. I'm happy to say the pass rate has moved from 67% to 98%. Wow. Yes. It's in my district there, it would be strange for Rebecca say Onyana home first world. I have 4 secondary schools for 65,000, approximately 65,000 people. All the 4 Nanado Adaroma have been absorbed by the government. Omunina boarding houses. 4 secondary schools in my district. So for me in my district there, Ufi Ahinkro Eko Chitreri, na kwani nyakura. And then it was taking us 1 hour 30 minutes to move from Ahinkro to Chitreri. Today is 30 minutes. Okay. Because there's been some first and second coach idea good kind so. It's not the best, but at least now the 1 hour 30 minutes is now 30 minutes drive. Okay. And now I say the drip machines are working. Other places now you need to mean it's been leveled more dripping, very leveled, very beautifully. I'm not saying okay, but on an average, it will be straight for anybody in the Fidakwa North to say Onyana na don't first.
One day, so I will drip people after work one sorted. And how the munyas come to fuel?
Full and ton cry as some cassia. We don't have it.
Oh, that's a common fan. Tofu, mamma.
No, but even well, my minchon, my day. In fact, I launched my campaign over the weekend, Sunday. It was really wonderful. I mean, now in Sukran and Suoto, the people defined it and they jumped in and it was massive.
Okay.
Our professor, Chairman Esiedu was there, Dr. Otokuno was there, and thank to all of them that came. And then 1 year by Mebuno, Tugo Abonte, Tresena Doniba Umiamembuno, and your papa, and he won in free honor, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and Meji Omaino, Medawa Munyanase, the way or Mutuba. I want to thank everybody. Menuya, so dear, Menuya, what dear, and yet Tessanga Shrawo. Because yani hono on sana nado kokawo ebra na akonfia ahima akọ ni won se nanado adan na ye de anya mpantu oyi o man ka kire o mo se essence odi obi ba ase ento aba man nya mra hye bedwe ni o ye MPP ni na wo man to am no mkotuma NDC ni abreku krentinti onu na nado nso yi nani. I mean, that is clearly the character and the behavior of Akufo-Addo. Sesi wo yamra hye bedwani a wo ye MPP ni nti wo hunsam a wo keka dia wa ye dia nurse yamamu school dia ni ade. Oh, why not? And ye twa wo kwan ama wo ba twefati mokwa e kwan e free aboabo ekọ dunkwa ebra na odruma wo ye MPP ni wo ho no no mu yi kwan ne fefefe mawum sina na yi kwan.
Okay.
Odum free wa me be yamra hye bedwani no menua wo makosisa machine ni nyina free kwan no so ekọ kwan na sei poto
Ade.
Bela me ka kiro e free Daboasi junction na say asema na do kai wante e free say ma be yamra hye bedwani a me NDC ni o free Daboasi ba nyinase twefati mokwa mene wo ka say let me give you the statistics then you ask the question.
But because we NDC member of parliament in Tina akwanya mampani Akufo-Addo DC e won district awon wa be machine free wonum na o say die na ne party fu wo district fanya campaign
medase na nado hwe ne saa o won wadi ni 8 years ewi a wo kofio ya de bia mbisa me wonsanti na nado pese ba omi win election na nado never believed that ba omi should win this election, and that is the fact. I just say obi a won hu de ekoso. Look, Daboasi junction nyina say the same thing. Wo ma be yi machine nyina akọ Brimpoenja road praso Brimpoenja me krase Brimpoenja praso Brimpoenja eko opoku krom eko asenso ho agave eba besinko Bimpon so ene nyina no Israel ni bi na yi kwan no na nado here say NDC ni vondi na be yamra hye bedwani no wo ma o mesisa nneoma ni nyina machines ni nyina wo mo de kọ enti wo mo nyi kwan no bebia wo yamra hye bedwani a wo ye NDC ni no na nado amembu wo mu no ono onye biribi wo hompo na won fanhye wani. Look, town road twefo praso town road me ba me di akire ajimanya ntashi me di si ma me nche wa no pay me di akire ne ye so in fact ajima kra di akire omo di ama Chinese big contract na COVID brace no and all that. Look, ye hu se di o abaye mra hye bedwani ene eye vondi NDC ni no ekwan no omo jago
Nana Akufo-Addo.
See, so these are the things that look. I was say asama any dance here no. You try be hu menu or kase number 1. What chere dia Nanado aye won in constituency ekwan a ye Nanado anso akoka say essence obi nya ne mra hye bedwani nti we yi nani ye ko asin not okan ye say yanto ama chasopoko ne etuma jachi kwesi ya ontumi ni jachi kwesi nya adwuma nukura so ko asin of say ya me yani o mo boshe okay I was senso agave any bungalow ho no ukwa kwan a ya hra ase bibia ya hra ase was abatu no mu no ni nyina sese ya ja ni nyina go ho ye so the fact is that so wunya mra hye bedwani a wo ye MPP ni a and yes onu na won fi that is who he is not
but to be both Nana Akufo-Addo
I mean so
o constituency dey pan when Nana Akufo-Addo
asem me can ya na obi person odi man no see money listen
okay
again I am not ungrateful
okay
so obi ya de no ye ne papa meka enyuma John Mahama de amanyina te de making I light I de ama bimpon so for Kena ekono ne nyina na nado bai waja ne nyina egu ho but ejuma ba ko bi wo ho bridge no John Mahama the bridge no ma contractor ne ba site e be she ejuma ase sa bridge ne de na nanum emodimbo kasa chewpani adinti na nado eno de oja contractor na John Mahama de ejuma ne ma no e ma ne ye listen politics are me pesa asem ba ye kan ye bisa se na vondi sisen me pesa me kan okre nko a agisa wo bi a won pe nokre
no kana wo kan say na nanom ne kan na nado be say na wo pesa kan
there be tie listen me say
specific question
me say
in your phone
can I unfortunately this is the first time I'm meeting my brother on this show so let him know the culture how this show is run there's only one moderator and he's not one of them with the greatest of respect wo wo dia ye na nyame adom na nado aboawa
apart from
no cry Senkanye John Mahama na di bridge no ma contract. Anya nananum anadi na o ma no tu mu a. Said your ja akwan a me bibo di nyina no. Ya ya di ma contract a waja ni nyina wa anya no. Nka bridge no ya anya. Ade se obi a won ka no kre. Ana wa ka se anya John Mahama na di bridge no ma contract.
Number akwan me akwan na o munye no. Nananum hu ye emfa ono ntu mu.
Aba ya kan bre nananum aka bre
still present also one
me say machines na egu kwan no so omudi yi ayen wo ma basisa ne nyina akọ
nananum aka ne nyina
look I am telling you sir Nanado's point is that dia oyemra she bedwani wo hosesia no oye NDC ni no onye bribi mfa nche na nemnyam example ye dia waka wa kumfi wante
ba say no say bridge no oye no na NDC na da so ye MP no be ye bridge
you see NDC na di contract no ma ye inti sabre no a ye free aban mu no na odum menua pani odum abaye mrahye bedwani inti no ma ye bridge na to a certain level ansana membe ba 2020 inti me ba ye no ase die duro no just awukase ni anisa anka I swear to God he would have left that one too.
How?
I mean that is the nature and the character of the person. Bimpoenja road sa pepe
apart from bridge no
amawums your friend is Dunkwa.
Okay.
Kwa ayase road sa pepepe. Number one road sa pepepe. Town road sa pepepe.
Apart from bridge here,
Ajisa we mrahye bedwani a we MPP ni. Once I mean you kase was deputy minister.
Honorable iti.
Enti ya Ghana fo hunu se Akufo-Addo nya president ma Ghana fo nyira o. Akwa no wo said you want to buy it no when your president it's someone MPP near that is who this guy is
okay but see I can say
who president Kufuor member who is Excellency John Dramani Mahama Oba Bemu 24-hour economy Akufo-Addo
it's apart from bridge no be no a president Akufo-Addo ban aye for constituency if free bra be MP.
Oh.
Apart from bridge no.
In fact, someone send me wa mrahye bedwam. Ana me sansuko constituency. Dia me di mani ehu.
Na woka.
Ana making. Na mamika asem nchiro. Na anu ya ba omi aba ya constituency. Or campaign tour. Oba ye no. Look, people were hooting at him. Ana town road no. Aya poto kra asayo. Inti ufri ho no ana DC omukofa grader betrotro kwa no e town road ene aya teche ama nkrofo na emu a omu ba bi mfa na sa wo be yi kwan a ensuo tobre ne yi the guy you see Akufo-Addo Obuyan he don't respect us
still as all responding to question me say
I mean who she you
bibia apart from vision
menia bo ade ba ko Akufo-Addo aye wo me constituency na me
na me no let ho
na sa woni mi anya woni mi na ti ho na me a me ti ho no maka no kra kire o say wo ka bridge na asam na wo wie a apart from no
the bridge na waja to say Akufo-Addo ewie
miss some me ka want
wie
dear John mama ashase Akufo-Addo abewie
okay thank you
that's it
okay thank you
now the point is apart from no
it's Akufo-Addo ankasa wo ye NDC
biara ni wa wo betimi adi na no akasa Akufo-Addo ba ye no biribi biom wo ho a wetimi ayo aye monumental what you for timokwa ebi ni ho listen wo betumi enu no ho asere akasa ebi wo ho ebe keka nsam bebre you see the reality of the situation is that the people of Timokwa will expose your lies
okay
that's the situation we have as fan assessing
we are not so
no problem ubusa me nyan very simple
mo dum light we are energy minister light na mo go check
no udaso mo ana udaso
mi daso mi daso kan ya na so pre and grafwe we Ghana for munti o mo di you dum so
aba ubusa the very simple question say Nana Dubai the constituency why be o hana then he started say Nana do there we NDC ni MP a constituency kra there on fa wonya hwe
na me na me kan ya no na kan
body aso me na
Nana said it you know he said it
okay
go on I'll grant you that chance
then he goes on say bridge there mama na start here his excellency and Nana the pressure to Nana so and Nana be it's in another bridge in the way and the one kaisa we NDC MP
asema me kan say one take
asema na kan what's the bondi say 4 years ni akola bia ni constituency ko secondary school
Abba Nanado was Nanado the one who instituted going to secondary school Nanado the man for secondary school
akola bia benefit o
see me person o my ebre ho na ebre be ba yan discuss free SHS see Nanado implemented free SHS on whimsical and capricious political promise and he implemented it very horribly that is the most disservice to Ghanaians and I will explain one day you give me time
okay call it what you have called
Sonon Asogli Ghana ha ka yasi dum so na modi aba ne kan watem
Sonon Asogli
ka well first of all enra me tukwa kakra
okay
to be do no area and I'm a call office to me do office no be draw my attention to this particular letter.
Yeah.
So immediately me friend my minister. So boss, have you seen the letter? No, oh, on your cry a meeting.
Okay.
On Monday. Sunday Asogli. Of course, some of the issues are minimal. I can't make it public.
Okay.
But the only time I can say, I can assure Ghanaians say, this particular problem, no, we are taking a very serious look at it. In fact, I'm chairing a meeting with the ECG managing director and other people within the power space, all in line with payment to IPPs. The good thing is, your install capacity is 5,500.
Yeah.
So yes, Sonia Asogli is a very significant player, no doubt about it. A very, very significant player within the space. But when we say or shut it down from Wednesday and I said last week,
Tuesday, yeah.
Tuesday, you know, say enra, me sure say lights go off. There's not been any general light off. Say the one day can say the honey pre. Or they say what he's saying is not the case. So I can assure Ghanaians say it's an issue that has come to our attention. Now, say the American minister is here, Sonia Asogli on Monday.
Okay.
And that Miankasa as the deputy minister in charge of power. Maybe it has been brought to my attention. And a meeting is being conveyed just this morning. With Fihanoma meeting at 10:30. All in a bid to ensure say we make some payment to the IPPs. The basic problem has been say your cash waterfall, which is ECG for and Jessica. Then you based on the formula now, yeah, I agree.
Okay.
Unfortunately, I think say payments now Sikana Abba into the cash waterfall no, has not been enough as expected. But for me, no, and interaction kaka me yeah, no. Sika Ediama Sonny Asoglefo no just last month, no. I got a little bit alarmed. I wasn't happy about it. I personally, and I'm being frank, very being frank, because you know, agreement say the cash waterfall no this particular amount of money each month. One year at least half of it so that they can run. Okay. If you give them anything less than half, you put them in a very difficult situation. And to be very frank, we will do a letter now. There's a Ghanaian component ownership to this. And, you know, sometimes no a cow they are more Ghanaian. Money be doing come say oh it will say obituary letter when they say amen and watch it. You know they say 2 1 amount, and I'm just telling you say we've taken a very bold decision about it. Monday minister a meeting. Nyanka I'm chairing a meeting this morning, and I'm sure say latest by Friday we should have them back on stream.
So back to the cash waterfall mechanism. ECG collection are improving.
Well, we say ECG some shake up by ECG and this national television. Yeah. At our level, no, a bit may discuss it, not on national. A lot of things have gone on. Me feel say the air cost no, is to help to restructure the place to ensure say there's more transparency. The basic problem has been the opaqueness. Me as a minister, maybe I'm not on the cash waterfall committee. Okay. So if Ubusam say cash waterfall, saying a bit more, I can't tell. It's only after the disbursement has been made. Okay. Now PURC are reporting on their website. But we have to do some managerial changes. At least the minister in charge, you know, should be able to tell at any point in time, say, this is how the disbursement is going to go. What's the mechanism? These are some of the things that I think say management, you know, we are trying to tweak it with the help of the World Bank and some of our development partners. But I can assure you, say, we are Abbey, it will not lead to doom so. Okay. Starting letter tells you say from Tuesday no. But when we say there's not been any major shake-up within the energy space. But of course, the Americans say it doesn't mean say Sony is not a significant player. 550 megawatts. 60 megawatt, yeah. No. It's quite significant.
Out of 5,000.
Out of 5,500.
That's exactly 10%.
That's
so significant.
No, so it's significant. And so in as much say or shut it down, we are still normal. No? It doesn't mean say we should leave it like that. There should be steps to ensure say economy if not paying or crana. We've had some discussion behind the scene.
As part of restructuring, into the dates ECG VR major nebana.
That's not it. No, not at all. This is to do with the management of ECG and CASA. Okay. It has nothing to do with the mergers. Mergers as of now, no, based on the agitations now, I think say consultations say COSO. So we've decided say we want to hold on the laying of the bill for now. Now you more consultations and then subsequently we'll lay it.
Yeah.
You see, anytime these issues of sikasam in the energy sector is what is actually the reason why Ghana beko you need power and that kind of thing. I get alarmed. Why is the energy recovery levy that was instituted by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama? Why is that money?
And they're quite different.
Oh, I know.
And it was for the legacy debts.
I know.
And it's quite different from.
So today, as I speak to you now, that legacy debt is still there. It has not been paid, and it's also looming. Look, do you know the problem we have now? The problem is that and Crawford are shutting down your own. A 10% in energy sector, right? It's very significant, huge. The only way I will to me avoid the possible, impact of it, and say you distribute it on the rest of the machines to carry the load. What you say? Transformer. In say each transformer is speaking about 10, 20, 30. You're going to increase it and share the 10% on them. What it means is that what they are this a soon kotna or more a console. And what is going to happen is eventually, because additional sudodono, a bit me crash the machines all at a go.
I just want to clarify. That's not say almost 10%. No, a new way, share onto the. No, that's not how it is. They are planter There are different IPPs, different plants. It's a sunny water, car power, sand power.
So the point I'm making is
so it's like one has shut down, you just move to the other.
So the point I'm making is the shut down is because of debt, no. That 10%, no, it's very significant in this economy. We need it.
I've made that point clear.
Do you understand?
Say 550 megawatts.
It's not a joke.
It's huge.
It's not a joke.
Although there were 5,500, no, we 553 more. You still have enough during your peak period.
And again, you see.
But I'm saying, it is not the best. I've admitted that.
Yeah. So, whatever you guys have to do to get it sorted out, do it.
Yeah.
Do it because, you see, Ghanaians are already suffering in so many areas. Only to wake up in the morning and say, ECG into me and Trias ugly can't, into they've shut down. And then what it means to the ordinary Ghanaians, they say, if not managed well, there will be doom so. And that's what it is. I mean, there's nothing you can do about it. Can I finish? Can I finish? And that is the truth. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here and be saying it's significant. It is significant because you know, and I also know, everybody know, that a shutdown of Asogli, a whole Asogli, is not good for this economy because it will lead to a doomsday if not managed well. That is the truth.
But is it
and
possible?
So why should listen?
Vondi, but
it is possible.
The 560 megawatt can lead to doomsday.
Yes.
No.
Because but saying possible.
Okay.
Asogli, no. Then it means we don't need it in the first place anyway. Saying yet possible, say better lead to doom so. Not just a something. Nankasa power now. They by 550 megawatts. We in here. Orias here. A yadia ye here. A yadia ye bohuka. Over $250 million is not a chicken change, right? That's a mood disantrofoika up to that. That's what my shutting plant in down. You can't come and tell us that it is not significant. It is not. And yeah, they are betting lead to doom so. That is not it. It will lead to doom so. And that's what it is. So let's be careful.
Okay.
No.
Let's be careful.
And
you guys should solve the problem.
Go
and pay them. Sika bebre bia. Bosia bebre bia. Sika bebre bia mwajiche. Mo konko triankrofo ika. Mo discan your campaign.
First of all,
but you, I hope I'm on air. So how many scan a campaign? How do you owe these people 550 million? It is very significant. It will lead to. It will.
Vondi. And likely say the shutdown if no well manager, if it's in the doom so.
First of all,
you can't doom so Ghana, doom so I can't want.
First of all,
yeah.
Almost shut it down on Tuesday.
Okay.
Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday. The patrol respectfully. For the past 3 days, when you light off of
me, no, sir.
Bondi, when you light off.
Do you want to open?
Oh, Bondi, take your time.
Light off.
Oh, Bondi.
So we be some.
When you light off, what I am saying is, say,
light off.
Say 560 megawatts. No, it's significant. We have to do everything possible to ensure, say,
okay.
In the energy sector, what they are asking for, they say, you have to keep them operational. For a long time. You put them in a very tight corner. Yeah. This letter is trying to tell you, say, a kabu 250 no more can say but they were running just 3 months ago.
Sure.
It should tell you, say, yes, we understand, say, the energy sector, no, there will be some debt. However, keep us afloat. At least then give us some confidence. Say, as time goes on, you keep on paying. I'm assuring Ghanaians, say, and I make out the minister has taken the first step. You share as on Monday. Me and Kasa as a deputy in charge of power, and I'm meeting ECG and other players no and layer at 10:30. Just to tell you, say, you're nigh based on this letter.
You have never slept. MPP, they are on nada. This should be Papa. Go to my conference and see. Light off. Woman, Kasabe, you want me to register my.
All I can assure Ghanaians, they say, we are taking very decisive steps to ensure, say, the finance ministry for the income, at least, and then it's a year, we'll make some significant payment to Sonny Asogli.
And then
yes, and then it's a year based on the meetings.
Let that be on record.
Yes.
Say Deputy Minister in charge of power say, Yami Adom and Nani Ochina, Omar Kotia Asoglikano, because there's doomsday in my constituency. That's the truth.
Yaman making that commitment.
There is.
There's no doomsday in
my contract. Would you tomorrow? Would you we have doomsday in my constituency.
You are lying. There's no doomsday in your constituency. I have the schedule. I have the load management. I have the load management. You have not shared any load. You've not shared any load. You shared the load. You shared the So I'm just assuring almost say steps are being taken immediately to ensure say Sonny Asogli comes back. The only step now, everyone back at least we make some significant payment to them. And I'm saying say from Monday, meetings are ongoing, and then I'm chairing one, and I'm sure say by Ochina up to Friday, some good information.
Invite me to that meeting. $1,000 now, Muchichano. No moment.
That's one day. This not fair.
No.
This not fair.
No. I mean, this is on the lighter.
Okay.
On the lighter.
Thank you.
Come on.
Well, it's not going to just me, Chairman.
But that was it. You're doing the light.
You're doing light, you know.
That's why light is so.
Go to my constituency. There's light off all over the place. You're doing light.
Light is so.
You're doing it.
That is all. You're
why not? Into one friend was standing test. The phone you now call off. Mungo Chescan, what is scanning your campaign?
When it comes to light of power, they have only MPP NDC.
I don't know, okay.
MPP NDC.
John Mama solved this doomsday issue before leaving. And you know, but we have congratulated John Mama. Say, oh, John Mama, why are there so some doomsday? No more was of cry, you praise you. And Sunday, you frab, but tell me this is not true. I'm a Uber energy minister. For how long? For 4 years. You be saying your own sister station, FM. How many megawatts did you add so far? See, because Joma had built enough before leaving power. Na se mwaba na se muntumi ntua soglika na se light ning na so a what better you are justified. MPP know how to explain issues. Solve the problem, not explain. The fact is that we solve the problem. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama solve all these problems.
No, Vondi.
What
I think you're having a very decent conversation. Debbie.
Look, I didn't say ECG.
We have a very decent conversation. Take your time.
Do you know you've increased? Bro. Why is he doing that?
It's not fair.
Okay, so listen.
We had a very decent
conversation. Listen to me.
No, but for you to tell me, say, the justification, my better me justify. Don't do that. Did you not explain what happened? Did you explain what happened? Is that the justification?
No, hold on.
No, okay, so
did you explain what happened? Did you explain it?
Let's have a decent
I am saying that
you
only know how to explain issues.
No.
You don't solve the problem. So please listen.
In the past 8 years.
So listen.
The record of light off between the MPP and the NDC is clear for everybody to see.
You see, that is why I get worried.
So stop that conversation.
That is why I get worried. Because one more let's move on. Because you are really learned. Leave it for party, communicators, serial callers to say.
Yes, sir.
What do you say? Somebody built a foundation, solved Tumso, built all this gas plant and all that, and then you came. The only thing you are supposed to do, and he say, Chia Asoglika 250 million, Nasa 10% load here, and let's not have this problem again. Won't you?
But we having problem.
We have hey,
is your light off?
Have you forgotten that we just came out of light off in your origin? Yes.
Is your light off?
Yes. Go to my constituency. They only know how to explain issues. They don't know how to solve problems. I don't know why they do this. I'm not a politician. Tell the people what the situation is. It's serious. Me feel so say upon count dia mayor.
Komula yeba the fact check ever to us ne ne abadwafo ere ko twera to us bedwam so de yeba ise oba bia me say mo amotwa no modi we ni nso amempa ba de bia me ka to say ye wo other two live draws here be bro 12 p.m. and at 6 p.m. Just quick what I message am for the about say I was please tell them move on D to stop so that we can have an attractive show. Vitus ya or the eba We say, I beg Ghanaians not to buy the fake promises of the NDC and vote wisely for the MPP in December to continue the best policies put in place. Ghana deserves a credible leadership under Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Napo ticket. Shift man, Edway Free Kumasi Atonso, and Ode Ebaye. Chifo Atimokwa is really lacking behind in terms of development under Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Abel Jr., Anati, and anyway, Ebaye. I was please ask Honorable Vonde. Honorable Samson Ahi of late said he has been lobbying so hard to get huge developmental projects for his constituency under Nana Akufo-Addo. Why is he not doing same for his own people? Evans, Boache, Eddie also Eddie Ebaye, no. Eti Tabria so say yebeko Dubawa na afia kwakwohwe. Checks be out do one me no kray wom ne ya tro ne han ne na yede e kan. That's why we call the fact check. Said we can ya not abeka not boko there.
Na me admo mi yakasi.
Me watch.
Ejuma ya na eguso. Na same one fact checkers across Africa. E wo Ghana last week tina. You have a summit. You did nkomo. Yebeko elections mu how ebe make sure say ecosystem information ecosystem here quite sanitizing. It's last week one share them who are.
So dia wada bia on Adom TV ne Dubawa ekabom na ensemo ya manyofo eka no ya fact check ne ye nokore ne ye ntro ebi won ma nya ntro eno nya nokore but ohahan ani ena okaye so not emu dey starting na no pay
akosi before say be call nensem no so na Dubawa any with funding with from US embassy and ye training e Kumasi for journalists ye church omo ha almost betimi aye fact checking in kakra say be ya mashi obi betina wa fidie so a okasa wetimi ahwehwe mahu I inform etie for na ene claim mu no ye 5th October running mate for Dr. Bawumia Napo ye nyina enim as Napo Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe okojina simpie so say okasa na no say menua mumuntie me mahama motuma na mobile cares na mahama obakra na omo mu free Ashanti region on sheda ni omo nya den endi djuma omo mu hwe TV de betime etie de ba Napo kan
etie hwe ni Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe editujan. Okay, so that was Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe. Nat, what's the fact check?
Okay, nti minua kosi de ye hwehwe mu ni hu say at least sa narrative ni false. At least mahama ni Ashanti region for bi den djuma even Dr. Otin Ejia o kan asem no mahama by January 2013 releasing the ministers no na Dr. Otin Ejia environment science and technology minister.
Okay.
Enon pa ho no reshuffle by into oyi no. But in March 2015, I am the board chairman for GMPC. It's a non-coda honum. And up a Peter and not Mensa or an Ashanti regional minister. Third one, Joseph Yamin, and ties with Ashanti region. Or an deputy sports minister. And see, the narrative of Mahamane Asante for another Ashanti and Jumano are completely false.
Okay.
It's a routine of false. False, because at least your ministers me say on your year then adwuma.
So your next check na afiyenko.
Okay, your next claim no we a trend that you be call back to me be hu bebre na etie for na say for enda omo so omo befa nipa bone for befa videos a dada e dey be pushi current narrative na video we ye hu social media omo say nipa call the pushi the narrative that police people are brutalizing people at Aflao and the Togo border ahead of the elections. Etie for betima ahwefo betima then ahwe video no
ehwe video no enti see video no enoti what's the fact check on this video
ye hwehwe mu no na is a video e kra no obi posting on YouTube 2013
okay
ache enye ne asem but the can say ahwefo nda omo so because e be kwa about you BBC be dey be ba e betima kofa basabasa yesi wa ya so sa de aba abeka say 2024 the AC no enunti ahwe obi enye den enkoto aba e betimi a distort election 34 na omo so omo bibi say a omo nya hwehwemu hwe video ye check na 2013 na even 2020 covid time no omo side be push narrative say please for airborne crowd ma violate covid rules am a please for crab issue statement on it say enye no cry old video it's video way so enye no cry say please for airborne crowd for Aflao border to push a narrative that I say yeah more treaty afabi ewo Aflao and I say baby sa enye no cry the third claim no weekend e try me never in social media and so And I'm sorry who say video be a chegua air trendy. Nina say Nana Kwame be diakon. I ain't as freedom cheddar or claim me say or call UK Parliament echo have echo deliver a speech on behalf of African leaders. Video me a short and for be but it's here for who say
you know UK Parliament no so coin.
This
Eti Nana Kwame be diako cheddar and until way enye UK no coin na say there.
Okay, nti me nwa kwesi ye hwehwemu no ye hu say anyway ne event no happen with UK Parliament but the room ni happen with UK Parliament committee room 10.
Okay.
I don't know me no ye betimi akọ high sa committee room no e dey a program.
Okay.
Ni I invite the person of bia no aye den wa baby ti say the okoye parliament si ana your baby am ma shebedwafo no ye den Asia and your committee rooms are betimi aye den a high but ye kofa Hansard parliamentary Hansard aye proceedings of parliament on the 10th of October now say oye any program no e hwem na say ni program no ni so ye UK Parliament there were two leading chambers your chamber of House of Commons and your chamber of House of the Lords ye ko hwe omo Hansard mu na say na kwa be dia ko program no eni omo enti enye official program ye wo UK Parliament but oko high committee room 10 e UK Parliament and oye any program enti no I know the rating misleading because program ni dey happen with UK Parliament but then your official program
but
House of
program is very important power.
Yeah, that's na ti sebada si ti ka man for say kosua na edi Adom ene dubawa echi se ne be ya every information bi aro betimi a verify ansa na so betimi wa no atumu ebi na ti da si sa do pen so obeka yeho woni dey say bi
abe yen kasa me na me go kana go fa check for me me go ka o go fa check
me ma ka na order da order te be
fa check for me
send your can say apart from bridge you must go and you must fact check
I know you can do a fact check on it now where the one akwa be you microphone to ba no, but it's a very interesting segment. I mean,
very segment.
All out. I mean, very, very beautiful segment. You know, I really like it. Ebema, I'm on your some for you be no correct. You know, so wouldn't him say, "Obi jina we chia the walk no." Obaka ko hwe man hu say, "Aye no kra na anya no kra." I think say ebema am on your some for especially. You be sua see you be kan no kra. Near giant from.
Yeah.
What they are saying, you know, I don't meet and then I pose sa gayism ni lesbianism ni ade no na you know poko abro minister for education or introduce you and okuja to a black one a champion here and all that. I mean, these are all things that when you fact check, you realize that I won't hear.
When I could say na point of view.
Obi here, I mean, I think say you man bebre this program no especially within this time and yoko battery na munyi wa moto
call you mashuada
running
we mashuada
call you mashuada
program young pong
onko ka bibi ni yoko ba check you
but I do my best all the time say
yeah.
I stay on the right track.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, yeah,
it's a very good program. I really like it. Now, I didn't be on our way to come.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, Wapon.
Mapon.
I don't know, yes, sir.
I said disqualify
Joanna. I don't want the Ubi count.
No, but I think, sir, the party executives are really doing whatever it is to solve the problem.
Okay.
My check on that, not a fact check actually.
Okay.
My check on that, you know. The letter that was written by the Electoral Commission, Emma Woman, no,
yes, somewhat
exactly, did not specify any constitutional provision that disqualifies an individual to become a member of parliament and so on. So, you know, in this heat of election, I say, we could drop a letter no, when you have not cited any constitutional provision, you know, I think Article 90, right, or 92, whatever, you know. Forgive me, I'm not a lawyer, don't fact check me, you know, to kind of disqualify a lady who had actually gone through all these.
Okay, so my main cry letter, someone say, message Joanna Jan Kujo. Or say refiling of nominations, disqualification from the 2024 parliamentary election, written on the 10th of October 2024. I bring you greetings from the Electoral Commission and trust this letter finds you well. The Commission's attention has been drawn to an order for interlocutory injunction dated 31st May 2024 in respect of a suit entitled Jedu Frimpong and 4 others versus Joanna Jan Kujo, the NDC and the Electoral Commission, suit number EI blah, 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 by the High Court 2nd D. The order states as follows. It is ordered that until the final determination of the matter, the affected parties are restrained as follows. 1. The first defendant and respondent for holding herself out as a duly elected NDC parliamentary candidate for the Amenfi Central constituency. B. The second and third defendant or respondent, their agents and officers are holding out, allowing the first respondent or defendant to be held out, dealt with in any way, recognized or afforded any right or privileges as the duly elected NDC parliamentary candidate for the Amenfi Central constituency. The said order has neither been stayed nor vacated, hence the Commission is bound by same. In this regard, we write to inform you that you have been disqualified from the standing as a candidate for election to Parliament in your constituency. Thank you. Yours sincerely, Samuel Tete, Deputy Chair, Operations.
Yeah, so I think our legal team, headed by Eduji Tamakulu, actually a very fantastic lawyer. Okay. And Seminole, but I feel they are working Kenya. Eligibility to become a member of Parliament, must be a Ghanaian, must attain a certain age prescribed by the Constitution. Is not what is being violated. And so forth and so on. Me feel these are issues that are matters of interlocutory injunction. Okay. It should not stop somebody from contesting to become a member of Parliament. We say the party executives and then the legal team will look at it. But I'm sure that will come out successfully. But unim answer na mekono. Mr. 1 minute. Oh my God. Because you see,
sitting there, you know your one seat.
And within the question say
because you see your one seat.
And Crawfordbia and Crawfordbia.
Diabetes. And that when you know Yakubo is that you are mine. Hey, Ochina. You ever said yes here? Within the question here. Background.